Argusinus argus, commonly known as the Argus pheasant or simply the Argus, is a bird species that is native to Southeast Asia. This large bird belongs to the family Phasianidae, which includes pheasants, quails, and partridges. The Argus pheasant is named after the Greek mythological creature, Argus Panoptes, who had 100 eyes all over his body. This name is given due to the pheasant's striking eye-like patterns on its wings. In this video, we will dive deep into the world of the Argus pheasant and explore its physical characteristics, habitat, behavior, reproduction, and conservation status. Physical characteristics. The Argus pheasant is a large bird, with males growing up to 2 meters long, including the tail, and weighing up to 2.7 kilograms. Females, on the other hand, are smaller, growing up to 1 meter long and weighing up to 1.3 kilograms. The male's tail is almost twice as long as its body, and its feathers are decorated with large, circular, and eye-like patterns. These patterns are made up of hundreds of small feathers, each with a distinctive black and white coloration. The male Argus pheasant's plumage is a striking combination of blue, green, and brown feathers, with the eyes on its wings being the most prominent feature. The male's head and neck are blue, and it has a distinctive white patch on its throat. The female, on the other hand, has a brownish-black plumage, with some white spots on its feathers. Both males and females have a bare red patch of skin on their face, which becomes more prominent during mating season. The male also has spurs on its legs, which it uses for defense during territorial disputes. Habitat. The Argus pheasant is found in the dense rainforests of Southeast Asia, including Indonesia, Malaysia, and Thailand. It prefers to live in the understory, which is the layer of vegetation that grows beneath the forest canopy. Here, it finds cover from predators and can easily forage for food. Behavior. The Argus pheasant is a shy and elusive bird that is active during the day. It is known to be a ground-dwelling bird and spends most of its time on the forest floor. However, it can also fly short distances and is known to roost in trees at night. The bird is omnivorous, and its diet consists of fruits, seeds, insects, and small animals such as lizards and snails. It uses its sharp beak to dig into the forest floor to find food. Reproduction. The reproductive behavior of the Argus pheasant is unique and complex, and it involves both courtship displays and aggressive interactions between males. The breeding season for this species occurs between February and May, during which time the males gather at specific sites known as leks to display their elaborate courtship behavior to attract females. During the courtship display, the male Argus pheasant fans out its wings, revealing the circular patterns on its feathers. It then stretches out its neck and emits a series of loud, deep calls to attract females. The male will strut around the lek, showing off its plumage to the females who are watching from a distance. Once a female chooses a male, the pair will mate on the ground. The female will lay a clutch of 2 to 4 eggs, which are incubated for around 24 to 26 days by the female. During this time, the male plays no role in incubation or chick rearing. The chicks hatch with a full coat of down and are precocial, meaning they are able to walk and feed themselves shortly after hatching. The female will lead the chicks to a suitable feeding ground, where they will learn to forage for food. Conservation status. The Argus pheasant is listed as near threatened on the IUCN Red List of Threatened Species. The primary threat to the species is habitat loss and fragmentation due to deforestation and conversion of forests for agriculture and human settlement. In addition to habitat loss, the Argus pheasant is also hunted for its meat and feathers, which are used in traditional costumes and crafts. However, the hunting pressure on the species is not considered a significant threat to its survival. Conservation efforts for the Argus pheasant include the establishment of protected areas and the promotion of sustainable forest management practices. The bird is also listed under Appendix of the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora, which regulates its trade and commercial use of its feathers. Conclusion. In summary, the Argus pheasant is a fascinating bird species that is native to Southeast Asia. Its striking appearance, courtship displays, and unique reproductive behavior make it a subject of interest for many researchers and wildlife enthusiasts. However, the species is facing threats from habitat loss and fragmentation, which have led to its decline in population and listing as a near-threatened species. Conservation efforts are needed to ensure the survival of this beautiful bird in the wild. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you learn new things in this video, then just like the video. Hey guys, next video very interesting, see more. Please subscribe, support me.